Hi. In this section, we will see how to create different products or products or trading account which is used in the TAW application. So how to create and configure those products. So for this, in Surveillance, product master page is there. In product master, we are creating different products or uh, trading accounts for the system. First, we will start with margin. In normal, which is called as margin or intraday product. So for margin or intraday product, this square of allowed checkbox should be checked. So it will create, and this multiplier, how much multiplier benefit you want to provide. So these this permission is basically for intraday or margin product. For delivery, square of allowed and check for stocks on sale. These two basic permissions required for delivery product. If additional user wants to add VTD product, so for the VTD product, this VTD permission is allowed. If user does not want to give the VTD product, then for delivery only square of allowed and check for stocks on sale is mandatory. And what will the sequence of the uploaded stocks for, detecting by at the time of sell. So this is the sequence. First del is on the top always, but this DPF batch and Ben and DPF can be, this sequence can be changed according to requirement that which you want to deduct from at the time of square of first. Then for super leverage. Super leverage, this is basically an intraday product in which we use multiplier benefit to reduce the margin. So this is a super leverage product, and this, first of all, it is intraday, so square of allowed permission is there, and after that super leverage permission which makes it as a super leverage product. These names can be anything. Super leverage according to the customer's requirement, these names can be anything. Now margin plus, I had named it here as a plus mar. So it is also an intraday product. So square of allowed and stop loss benefit. These two permissions are provided for the margin plus product. Then SIP. This SIP is basically a delivery product which is used for creation, used for placing the SIP orders which user creates through his system, or it is also uh, system generated, or user can also create his own SIP. And for placing those SIP orders, this product is used in, which is not visible to the end user, but internally this trading account or product is used for placing the SIP orders. So square of allowed and SIP allowed, these two permissions are required to create a SIP product. Now the obligation or the BTST product. For this, only square of allowed and checks for stocks on sale. These all three permissions are required to create a BTST product. So we will start from again this, suppose intraday. So I had created intraday. The same will be displayed here. Into the order form, this is the intraday product. For that, for which trade type is margin, this is delivery, so it is delivery. Plus mar, it is margin plus. Super leverage, it is a margin product. And the VTD, it comes under the delivery. So if I have to select this VTD, this date selection is there for the VTD order. For SIP order, if a user wants to place a SIP order, then he needs to create SIP from this SIP window, SIP creation window, or it can be system generated, and that SIP trading account will be used. For obligation, User needs to open this obligation report, and here if wants to sell the obligation product, the obligation trading account is used here for the obligation product. So this is the basic idea how to create a product, and those say and while client creation, these all products or the trading accounts are mapped according to the customer's requirement. So and user can place order for the respective products.